Participating in the business of the country. Because to them, the business of the country is years.
Next, we just seen two recent athletes just do this. You saw Keanu O'Neal do it in Atlanta, and who's the most recent?
Kevin Durant had, obviously a lot of the.
Yeah, it's sports, but it's entertainment. But again, so keep this a little bit in perspective here. Your favorite Hollywood star is pulling.
In today's democratic purpose of public events and public
Our coverage of elections.
Department personnel arrived in the vicinity of the JC Kosher supermarket and engaged with the